American Express refreshed their Premier Rewards Gold Card and reintroduced it as the new Gold Card. It was instantly a hit thanks to it offering 4 points per dollar on dining in US restaurants and 4 points per dollar at US supermarkets up to $25,000 per year. 2 weeks later, Citibank announced they're refreshing their premium Citi Prestige credit card, and they'll offer 5 points per dollar on dining. Not just in the US, but globally. I mean, this is just some amazing stuff, especially as a customer. I love seeing companies competing for our business. That's a huge win for you and I. In this video, I'll compare the Citi Prestige credit card to the Amex Gold Card. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. I'll also share a lot of trip reports and reviews of first and business class flights from around the world, as well as some travel vlogs. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. Let's start with the welcome bonus. Right now, the Citi Prestige is not available for new applicants, so there's no welcome bonus. When it was previously available, sometimes it had a 50,000 points bonus offer and sometimes it was 40,000 points. In both cases, it was after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. With the new benefits kicking in this January, I hope there will be an increased sign-up bonus. We'll have to wait and see. If the sign-up bonus will be around 50,000 points, I'll value those points at about $800. That's 1.6 cents per point. The Amex Gold Card is currently offering a welcome bonus of 25,000 membership rewards points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months. That bonus is easily worth $500 at a valuation of 2 cents per point. However, you can earn 50,000 points if you're being referred to the card by a friend who has the Gold Card or the Platinum Card or any Amex card. If you're being referred by someone who has the Platinum Card, that referral will take you to a Platinum Card page, but on the same page you can click on the View All Cards with a referral offer link, then click on All Personal Cards, and you'll see the 50,000 points offer for the Gold Card. If you're looking to apply for this card, I put my referral link in the description. That will give you the 50,000 points, and I'll get some bonus points also. I'd really appreciate it. On top of the 50,000 points bonus, new card members who apply for the Gold Card through January 9th, 2019, American Express will help pick up the tip by offering 20% back in statement credits on dining purchases at US restaurants up to $100 per card account during the first 3 months of card membership. That's a pretty impressive offer. So if you spend $500 on dining out in the first 3 months of having the card, you'll get $100 back as a statement credit. So between the 50,000 points and the $100 statement credit, I think the Amex Gold Card wins the welcome bonus category. Now let's talk about the earning potential. With the new changes coming to the Citi Prestige, starting January, you'll be able to earn 5 times points on dining and air travel and 3 times points on hotels and cruise lines. These bonus categories are not limited to US purchases, they're available worldwide. The Amex Gold Card earns 4 times points at US restaurants and 4 times points at US supermarkets up to $25,000 in spending per calendar year, and it also earns 3 times on flights booked directly with the airline or through Amex Travel. This category of earning potential goes to the Citi Prestige. Earning 5 times points on dining and air travel is just incredible. Tons of points can be earned on those 2 categories alone. Next category I'd like to compare is redeeming the points. Both cards have a lot of overlapping travel partners, but Amex has more valuable ones like Delta, British Airways, and Airplan. Citi Thank You points are the only transferable points that don't have a US airline transfer partner. Chase has United, Amex has Delta. I really hope Citi adds American Airlines one day. Both Citi and Amex travel portals are not as good as Chase's, where you can get a value of 1.25 cents with Sapphire Preferred and 1.5 cents per point with the Sapphire Reserve. Citi now gives a value of 1.25 cents when booking airfare through their portal, but that will go away in 2019 and it will only be 1 cent per point, which is terrible value. Finally, let's compare the additional perks on these cards. The new Amex Gold has an annual fee of $250 that is not waived for the first year, but comes with some cool perks that can easily cover up to $220 of the annual fee. The first one is the $120 dining credit, which gives you up to $10 per month in statement credits when you use the card at eligible dining partners, including participating Shake Shack locations, the Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, and Grubhub and Seamless delivery services. The Gold Card also offers an annual airline credit up to $100. This benefit covers things like check bag fees, upgrade fees, and in-flight meals, but it can also be triggered by purchasing gift cards to airlines like Delta and American. The Citi Prestige will have an annual fee of $495, but it will offer a $250 travel credit, which is upgraded from the current AIRFARE credit. So you'll be able to take advantage of that credit on a much broader category of travel as opposed to the only AIRFARE credit. The card also offers up to $100 credit every 5 years towards the payment for TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. And most importantly, the Citi Prestige has the amazing 4th night free benefit, where if you book a hotel stay for 4 or more nights, you'll get reimbursed for the value of 1 night. This benefit used to be available unlimited number of times, but starting in 2019, it will be limited to twice a year. Still not bad. If you use the benefit twice for hotel stays that are over $150, you'll way more than cover the annual fee when you factor in the $250 travel credit as well. That's it for my comprehensive comparison of these two cool cards. In my opinion, I think the Citi Prestige is the winner here in terms of points earning potential and amazing perks. But I like Amex points better and value them more. So I think I'll keep my Prestige card and maybe get the Gold card for my wife just for the 4 times points on supermarkets, which we can maximize by buying gift cards and also taking advantage of the $10 monthly dining credit. Let me know what you think about these cards in the comments, and if you have any questions I didn't cover here, also let me know if you'd like to see other cards comparisons. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.